ẹ mà tún kú dédé àsìkò yìí bí tẹ́ ti ń wò wá jákèjádò àgbáyé ọrọ̀ ajẹ́bánu jákèjádò nàìjíríà gbogbo wa la gbọ́ ìròyìn nípa ti Yahaya Bello kì í dẹ̀ tún ṣe ìròyìn mọ́ ìkankan tún wá jẹ jáde wípé Yahaya Bello gbìyànjú láti fi dọ́là ra ìgbẹ́jọ́ lọ́nà tó máa fi favour ẹ̀ nílé ẹjọ́ wọ́n ló ń gbìyànjú àti fẹ́ lo dọ́là láti lè fi jẹ́ kí ẹjọ́ yẹn kó gbé òun tèmi tí ń tòótọ́ bó ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ iléeṣẹ́ agbóhùnsáfẹ́fẹ́ àti amóhùnmáwòrán kan tó ń pè ní Sahara Reporter òun ló gbé jáde tí ìkànnì kan tó náà jẹ́ Voice of the People táwọn náà sì tún sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀ wọ́n wá ṣe kinní kan wọ́n ṣe ìfi ọ̀rọ̀ wá lẹ́nu wò pẹ̀lú àwọn tí a máa ń pè ní lámèyító àwùjọ ẹ wá gbọ́n tẹ́ni yẹn wí gan-an lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ má bá mi fọgbọ́n àtòyé gbé lọ o.
Move on to this recent development where a controversial online publication, Sahara Reporters, has claimed that the fleeing former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, is currently making moves to bribe some judges handling his alleged fraud and money laundering cases initiated against him by the EFCC with dollars. I mean, they revealed this, his close allies and commissioners in Kogi State handled this in a WhatsApp group named Only Ododo for Const. Well, Let's go back, Mr. Cyril. Yahaya Bello has been on the run after EFCC laid siege on his home. I mean, we've seen cases where even the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu and the Binance executive Nadeem Anjarwalla have been hunted down from Kenya by Nigerian security agencies. Why does it seem so difficult to get Yahaya Bello, wherever he may be? I mean, there are claims that he flew to Morocco, and this is still Africa. Why is it so difficult to get him to answer to the law?
Well, thanks for the question. I did see the screenshot of the WhatsApp messages that purportedly emanated from the State Executive Council in Kogi State. It's rather unfortunate. Chairman and Kenya, I have never been one to believe that Nigerian government is attempting it and has also not been able to arrest Yahaya Bello. I think that they are simply not willing to do the work. If you are a former governor of the state, you knew where he was, you declared people to go and arrest him there, you could not. And then he suddenly fled there is a Abuja resident, no matter where, and went back to wherever he went. There are a few questions. Who controls the judicial apparatus here? The federal government. Under the direct position of the NSA, who reported directly to the president. Now, around 9:30 in the morning was when the DSP arrived at the door. And the gentleman guarding his actually allowed entry, which I find funny and curious. Because I can see Nigeria security men to oppose each other in the same country. It is unthinkable. They waited there until 2:30 in the afternoon when Governor Ododo showed up. And then he went in, purportedly came out to Yahaya Bello, and then they left. And the question you ask yourself is, didn't anybody report it further to the higher echelon of authority? Wasn't the NSA informed? Wasn't the Nigerian police informed? Wasn't the DSS informed? Now, the story is that he left Abuja, although his lawyers have argued that he was not even in Abuja at the time that he was in Lokoja. But let's assume without something that he was indeed in Abuja. He left Abuja and he didn't leave Nigeria that same day. He indeed he has left. One, there are nearly 10, between 8 and 10 intelligence. I'm not just talking about security, I'm talking about intelligence agencies in the country. How could none of them know where Yahaya Bello is? It is not. Yes, you have the police intelligence, DSS, GDS, Army intelligence, Naval, Air Force, Defense intelligence is there. All these groups, the important people and the NSCD. So do you mean to tell me that somebody can hide in Nigeria successfully and nobody will know where the person is?
ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣé ẹnìkan lè fi ara ẹ̀ pamọ́ ní Nàìjíríà kí wọ́n sì má mọ bí wọ́n ṣe mú tó bá Nnamdi Kanu tó wà ní kìnní gbàjọ́ kìnní àrùn wọn gbé wá so ìjọba yìí wọ́n tán bá fẹ́ ṣe wọn ó ṣe ejò kan lọ́wọ́ nú ẹ mọ̀ gbọ́ analysis arákùnrin yìí o.
Where the person without them, how then are we sure that that person, how then do we control that person from doing what will happen to the state? It's not that anybody can do anything in Nigeria and get away with that. We will not know.
Mr. Speaking of the Kogi State government now, a relative of Yahaya Bello is a current chief of staff to this government, the Kogi State government, who appears to also be a godfather to the governor, Usman Ododo. You even mentioned that we saw Usman help take Yahaya Bello out of his home in Abuja. Well, can we say that the Kogi State government is guilty of aiding and abetting Yahaya Bello to be on the run from the law?
Ẹ tún gbọ́ yẹn nínú ìjọba tó wà ní Kogi lọ́wọ́ àwọn lára mọ̀lẹ́bí ẹ̀ tó sún mọ́ Yahaya Bello bíi sọ́run wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n ní kí wàá ní assurance tí ò ní fi hàn wípé àwọn yẹn gan náà ń fọwọ́ cover kí àwọn nǹkan kan mọ ìgbésẹ̀ kan mọ̀ lè ṣe é gbé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. Ẹ tún máa gbọ́ so.
Of course, like they say, if it works like a dog and clocks like a dog and eats like a dog and runs like a dog, why wouldn't it be a dog? As a matter of fact, with what Usman Ododo did in Abuja that day, to be honest, it shouldn't have been in office by now, it should have been impeached. For using these funds and this paraphernalia of his office to do what he did that day, the drama that was staged and everything that happened. This is in Nigeria, you see what you think, you see the worst of it. Then suddenly something more bizarre, something worse just happened. Frankly speaking, the Kogi State government cannot bring the music into what is going on. And I would make the case that this matter be kept where they belong. When this comes out of office, actually, we should have undertaken further investigation and brought them to justice. It will serve as a potent lesson to those who are coming behind them, because one reason why wrong thrives is because people who perpetrate wrong are never brought to justice. I never made the place the law. If they did, those going behind them would have taken a tip from them. If they ever live in this use of another person, what when we talk about Bello, you also need to look at what the EFCC has done. Have they done everything right? They to have not done so. Only the other day, they went to court to go and retrieve the order, to amend to withdraw the case that they are put in court. But the fact is, why are we so loathsome to procedure? Why are we not able to do basic things like arrest and prosecuting a criminal? It's easier thing to do in the world. But the problem of the matter is, what really went wrong on that day? That Nigerian security people, the existed Nigerian security, I think there was nobody above them. And then this man escaped as it were. So,
ẹ̀yin náà wò ọ̀rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè yìí àwọn kan bí ìgbà tó fẹ́ pé wọ́n kọjá òfin wọ́n kọjá àbáwí ló ṣe máa ń rí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ máa gbọ́ nìṣó nínú analysis máa yìí.
So Mr. Bello himself, I think that as a former governor of the state, he is somebody who saw at the time to oppose the constitution. The offense that they brought against him is even bailable. I don't see any reason why he couldn't have gone to court, pleaded not guilty, and then taken a walk.
Mr. Bako, you're talking about what the EFCC may be doing wrongly, right? The EFCC chairman, Olaoluwa Koyede, has vowed that he will make sure Yahaya Bello is prosecuted. He talked about how he tried to reach him, tried to get him to come into the back office, to give him a chance to defend himself, but Yahaya Bello chose to be on the run. He has said that he would rather resign, he would rather lose his job than to see that Yahaya Bello is not prosecuted. If this whole thing about a WhatsApp group where they're discussing how to bribe judges with dollars, if it is true, will it not impact or negatively impact on what the EFCC is doing? And would we expect the EFCC to actually sit up and make sure that the cause of justice is not perverted?
So there are three things at play here. Of course, if you take a case to court, no matter how, even the EFCC has been amending it as of now. First they said it was before you got into office. Later they said it was when you was in office. First they said it was 80.2 billion. Later they said it was 8. You cannot be doing this thing this way. It's not done like that. But number two is the fact that from the day the EFCC chairman called Yahaya Bello to give preferential treatment, which was not necessary. And then I think if I don't put that way, I think the president should have already fired him. Because if somebody who is doing the job of an office offensive as EFCC chairman should not be saying this kind of thing in public. It is not done. It is not just for goodness sake. It is not done.
Ẹ má bínú ibi tí máa yìí bá ọ̀rọ̀ dé ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ kan wípé irú ọ̀rọ̀ tí Yahaya Bello tó wá tí EFCC chairman tó wá ń sọ bó ṣe wá ń sọ ó ń sọrú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ní gbangba pé òun tiẹ̀ tún pé òun tún ṣe gbá òun tún ṣe àwo fún Yahaya Bello yẹn pé sórí ìjórí lọ ni kí ló tó fẹ́ máa fi pè ní ọ̀rẹ́ sọ̀rẹ́ ní kó tó di kó wọ́n lọ fi pámu nítorí pé kò dá lóun ní ìtùbínùbí ẹ gbọ́ ẹ wúrú nǹkan yẹn ó ní kì í tiẹ̀ tún wá ṣerú bí ẹ kó tiẹ̀ sọ gbangba ó ṣe ó sọ gbangba ntúmọ̀ ẹ̀ wá ń fi hàn wípé nǹkan tí ò tọ̀nà rárá ni ìgbésẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń gbé yẹn pé lóòótọ́ bá fẹ́ fẹ́ra wọn hàn lóòótọ́ pé kì í ṣe bó ṣe yẹ kó rí nìyẹn ẹ máa gbọ́ lọ ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan kan.
Your job as chairman of the commission is to outline strategy.
Yes.
Let your producers do the work of arresting and prosecuting. Outline strategy. Now he's making personal. I don't know about Yahaya Bello now. Chairman, let me go say this. Before you saw this, until this WhatsApp chat came out, didn't you notice that anything like Yahaya Bello was already dying up in the media? It was, the matter is finished. As far as the matter is now, the issue of the Yahaya Bello purport allegedly still being able to access dollars, which they have gotten to grab the judges. Ask yourself, all the things that the CBN has been saying, they are clapping out on account, they are fighting people that big operators, they are fighting the finance. People in higher offices are able to continuously get dollars, exchange $5 and use them for reasons, for whatever they need. And these dollars are not in $100, sorry, 10,000. So tell me, in the CGN, how did the Bello, this the matter that they do, how did the Bello access those dollars? Why is somebody asking questions? Can the president, someone is CGN governor, and say, okay, listen, I'm hearing, and how did these dollars get to them? Can they trace how he got the dollars? If indeed he has gotten them. These are so the matter has political leadership implications, political implications, criminal implications, and also legal implications. Is anybody sitting down to say, let us take a holistic view of all of this and analyze, is our one corruption, if at all there is one? Can the way we are doing it now, can we really prosecute anybody? Look at, whenever is one person, he has this man rules, bring good, maneuver the entire system, and it's like he's getting away with it. Can anybody sincerely sit up and say, what could be wrong in our strategy? What can we do? Because clearly, the dollars we have bought to private is a financial crime and it's a economic sabotage. You know, so and then we now need to monitor those judges. If money enters their accounts or accounts of people that are close to them and those amounts are suspicious, how do you also track and deal with it? This whole matter is interconnected, but it will require thorough leadership that can do the painstaking job to sit down and ask ourselves very critical questions. Can we engage that corruption with the current strategy we are using? If the answer is a no, which I believe it is, then they need to sit down and recalibrate their strategy. But as I speak to you, to imagine the lawyer to the end went to court to say that they may have to use the military to arrest Yahaya Bello. Use military to arrest Yahaya Bello. Whatever happened to with trust in the first place? Those declaring people that we are gathering is out in Abuja when they went to arrest him that day. How come they saw it and they still remain there? Because two things are at play. If they are normal private security people, they are not going to overpower police because they won't even be armed. They are not so. But if they are police and DSS officials, how come they saw government came and government didn't want government to do government work? This story does not add up. Somebody somewhere must need to answer questions. And until that has happened, what anybody can do to borrow a list from what he had done and do the same thing if they come after you tomorrow. The yearly man called him and said, come to my office. They will say, look, journalists are going to block me and take pictures of me. I think it's special. They didn't do the same thing to William of Anambra State, and they did the same thing left of it. They didn't do the same thing for Ayo Fayoshi. They didn't do the same thing for all the everyone that they've been inviting and questioning. Who is Bello to enjoy such high privilege?
So many questions.
Yeah.
So many questions. Unfortunately, our time.
So ẹ kọ́kọ́ ẹ gbọ́ àwọn àlàyé analysis tí màá yẹn sọ. Ṣé àwọn gbà wọn amúdébì kan wá ní ó dáa tá a bá tún ní àgbèwò káyẹ̀wò láàrin irú àwọn tí wọ́n ti gbámú bẹ́ẹ̀ rí bóyá tí wọ́n ti ṣe gómìnà tàbí wà nípò ńlá kan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n dárúkọ wọn ní ọwọ́ òpin fídíò yẹn pé àwọn ọmọ yẹn ṣé wọ́n lórí méjì ni wọ́n ṣe ṣerú ẹ̀ fún rú kí náà gborúkọ títí Kogi ìgbà kan yìí ti Kogi yìí Dino àwọn míì bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn míì lóríṣiríṣi tí wọ́n ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún tí wọ́n jẹ́ olóṣèlú bíi tiwọn wọn ò sọ pé káwọn kọ́kọ́ pè wọ́n náà wáì tí wàá máa jẹ́ Yàyà Bello ló máa nírú privilege bẹ́ẹ̀ n tán gbé wọn kalẹ̀ fún ni pé kán lo strategy láti gbáyàn mú kí wọ́n dẹ̀ gbé ìgbésẹ̀ okay well ẹlòmíì lè ní okay bóyá ara strategy náà ni ohun tí ọ̀gá àgbà àjọ EFCC sọ yẹn náà yes ẹlòmíì lè sọ pé yes ó lè jára strategy àti dọ́gbọ́n mu náà ni láti fọgbọ́n sọ pé kó máa bọ̀ ẹ̀yin dẹ̀rù bẹ́ẹ̀ bí nǹkan kan ló ti wọ́bọnú ẹnu ẹ̀ tó fi jẹ́rú ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ì bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò ní sọ nǹkan kan lórí ẹ̀ tèmi tí tòótọ́ èrò tiyín lórí eléyìí àfẹ́ mọ̀ èrò yín lórí ẹ̀ àfẹ́ mọ̀ wọ́n á fẹ́ ká túnjọ ṣàgbéyẹ̀wò kinní kan yàtọ̀ sí yẹn ọ̀gá àgbà àjọ EFCC ọ̀rọ̀ lórí àjọ EFCC àti ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣòwò lùkúmọ̀kúmọ̀ àti gbogbo nǹkan tó relate mọ́ náà ni a tún sì ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí wọ́n á fẹ́ fa ọ̀rọ̀ kan jáde tí mo sì fẹ́ kájọ tẹ́tí bẹ̀lẹ̀ jẹ́ kájọ gbọ́ ọ̀gá àgbà àjọ EFCC náà ló tún sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o níbi tí wọ́n ti ní ọmọkùnrin kan ìròyìn kan tiẹ̀ gbé wọ́n ní ọmọkùnrin kan wọ́ owó nínú àkáǹtì ọ̀gá àgbà àjọ EFCC ṣùgbọ́n kì í ṣe pé wọ́ owó yẹn gan báyìí gangan ni ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn gangan ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí gangan dẹ̀ ló ṣe rí ẹ farabalẹ̀ ẹ gbọ́.
I brought in my Lagos of a 17-year-old boy. I was journeying also with them, who is studying history, 200 level. He's not doing anything science. The guy sat in my office in Lagos and demonstrated some things to me on my laptop. He asked for my account, my number. He knows my number. I gave him my number. Through my number, he got my BVN. He said, "Okay, he now mentioned the name of my account number to me at the bank." I didn't tell him anything. Yes. 17-year-old boy, 200 level student, studying history and anthropology.
That is to say, nǹkan tó ọmọ yẹn gan study tó dẹ̀ fi jẹ́ pé true phone number lásán ó lè wọnú àkáǹtì ẹ̀ ní báǹkì kó sọ account number sí kó sọ gbogbo nǹkan ó surprise ẹ̀ pé how come pẹ̀lú just ordinary phone number ẹ máa tún gbọ́ lọ.
Like, that's not even the issue. The problem is, I see crime in that. I also see opportunities in it.
Ṣé gbọ́.
So if you leave these guys, we don't make them know that this thing they are doing is wrong. If you leave them, they will continue to see that thing as a culture, as a way of life to make money. If I don't investigate them, if I don't prosecute them, now what we do, on our own, we plead for light sentences for them. Because it's also going to be wrong for us to close our eyes. We plead for light sentences. Why? So that we can reorientate them. And that's part of the things we're doing. What joy will I derive in sending a 19-year-old boy to jail? You have destroyed his future, you have destroyed his career. Most times they give them options of fine and all of that conviction. So we bring them back, we lecture them, we talk to them. This particular boy, when he was done, I said, look, Oga, I can make 10 million now.
He said,
I will demonstrate to you, I will move money from your account to my account now. I said, no, don't that in my office. Don't let them trace that to this place. And he was actually ready to do it. In fact, when he opened the system and he was like, I didn't give him the key to my laptop. And he had access. He forgot that he was even in my office. He forgot I was around him. He was just, he got lost in that art. And I said, okay, now, why do you do this? Why? You know what he told me? He said both parents are farmers. They couldn't go to farm because of insecurity.
Ibẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ mú nǹkan kan jáde ńbẹ̀. Ó ní òun lọ kí ló tó fi wá ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan yìí. Ó ló sọ pé àwọn òbí mi méjèèjì àgbẹ̀ ni wọ́n. Wọn ò lè lọ sóko mọ́ nítorí ètò ààbò tó mẹ́ẹ̀. Fúlàní yóò ṣe tiẹ̀. Bọ́n dáko tán wọ́n fi màálù jẹko wọ́n oríṣiríṣi wọ́n ń pa ẹlòmíì sóko èwo láàrí èwo láàmọ̀ oríṣiríṣi tá à ń gbọ́ ìròyìn lọ́tún lósè wọ́n á ṣá ẹlòmíì lóko ẹ̀ wọ́n á hùwà kò tọ́ sẹ́lòmíì lóko ẹ̀ ìbẹ̀rù bójú yẹn ò jẹ́ kọ́ ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ rí náà ti fídíò akọta play kọjá tẹ wò kọjá nu fídíò tó kángun kọjá yìí ẹ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ níbi táwọn tó pera wọn ní àgbẹ̀ Oǹdó kan ti jáde àwọn kan tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn yẹn ìgbà tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ṣàlàyé pé àwọn èlò kọ́mọ́ Fúlàní ètò ààbò yẹn mẹ́ẹ̀ ọmọ yẹn wà pé òkè àwọn sà jẹun kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan àwọn àbúrò àbí nǹkan ó lóun tọ́ wọn léèwé òun náà sì tún lọ léèwé ọ̀nà dà tí wà ní mọ gbogbo ọgbọ́n bí tó ti lè jẹ́ kówó jáde lọ́tún lósì kó dẹ̀ fi rán sàyẹ kó náà lè lo G-Wagon kó lè lo àwọn ọkọ̀ ńláńlá Benz ẹ̀wọ̀n àgbọ̀nsó.
He has two younger ones, one in GS2 and one in SS2. He's the one feeding his parents. He's the one responsible for the payment of the tuition of his younger ones. So what do we do? In as much as I want to do my job, like I said, I saw a big gate in that guy. I said, okay, from today, if you are able to get out of this, we will do our work. And whatever happens, I will certainly take up the responsibility of your schooling. Told my family, we are going to do that. I spoke to one of my friends who is also ready to help to take up the schooling of the SSS2 guy. So I'm still looking for someone who will take up the one for the GS2. Maybe Chu Sakuna will help me do that. So these are the challenges we are facing. So for people to just sit down out there and begin to condemn EFCC, they don't even have an iota of what we're doing. You don't even understand the enormity of the problems. You don't. Now we are coming up with what we call the Cybercrime Research Center as part of the project in our new academy, where we'll bring some of these boys during the vacation, the way they are capturing them, the way we have for one-night training school. We're also going to come up with a hub that will help us to channel those skills. You can imagine somebody who never studied science. Imagine his proficiency in handling systems, hacking website. Now, assuming that guy is that skills is channeled towards positive things, you can imagine the contribution he will make towards the economic development. So those are things we're doing. Those are the innovations we are bringing into this work. So you can be a big team. Your brother is coming from America, wants to start a business, and one 17-year-old boy just sat down somewhere in Mushin or Pape, and just swipe off the entire capital.
Ṣé gbọ́ ẹlòmíì àti lọ ṣiṣẹ́ lu òyìnbó kówó wá ọmọ kan tí ò tó nǹkan kan wọ owó jáde lákàntì ẹ̀ á finish ẹ̀ n tó ń gbìyànjú àti sọ nìyẹn pé ó yẹ ká ọ̀nà kan lè wà tá a máa lò tó yẹ pé irú àwọn èèyàn yìí á máa channel ọpọlọ wọn lọ síbi tó positive kò ní jẹ́ ibi tó negative tá a ti máa han àwọn ẹlòmíì léèmọ̀.
The following day, spending will run back to where it's coming from. It doesn't happen anywhere. It doesn't happen anywhere. Comes through hard work, commitment to hard work.
Wá ṣiṣẹ́ ni kó tó jẹ.
If that is the only lesson I'm able to pass across to them, by the work of, by virtue of what we're doing, I'm okay. I'm okay. Now, why Nigeria's yearly loss to internet fraud amounted to over $500 million in 1 year?
It's only today.
Internet
fraud. $500 million. Eléyìí tán lákàntì ẹ̀ ni o. Tán lè ṣàkántì ẹ̀.
This is part of Nigeria Communications Company, NCC. Having Communications Commission, NCC.
Eléyìí ti rẹ́kọ̀dù wá fún ni o.
Now for context, what we call the BEC, the Business Email Compromise scam, as a category of cybercrime, is a prominent nuisance as it accounts for 40% of all cybercrimes losses across the world. And it's one of the top 4 major cybercrime threats. Do you know now all over the world that cybercrime is the 3rd largest GDP attract?
Ìbátan, ẹ já fi mọ̀ síbẹ̀ ẹ gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀. So, ibi tá a bára wa lónìí, àṣàdédé bára wa ń bẹ̀. Ibi tá a bára wa lónìí, àṣàdédé bára wa ń bẹ̀. Ó ti láwọn ìgbésẹ̀ kan tó yẹ kó síwájú tí ọkùnrin ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ náà torí pé ká ní àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ kan ti wà ṣáájú irú àwọn boys tá à ń sọ yìí tó ń ṣe yahoo tó ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ yìí ká ní àwọn ètò kan ti wà tẹ́lẹ̀ ó ṣeé ṣe kó má tó báyìí kádẹ́kù bá a ń táwọn ìlú ọba lọ́hùn Amẹ́ríkà UK táwọn fi kí ṣe pé àwọn náà ò ní àwọn tẹ́ pé wọ́n lè ṣe pé kò sí ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ó dá mi lójú pé máa wà ọ̀gẹ̀ tí ò bá sí báwo náà ṣe rí ìtumọ̀ orúkọ yẹn cyber kíná porúkọ ẹ̀ jìbìtì ojú òpó ayélujára so wọ́n mọ̀ kò sí ni but nǹkan yẹ kí ìjọba ṣe wọn ò ṣe àwọn talent adẹ̀ ní Áfíríkà ní Nàìjíríà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá gbogbo àwọn yẹn ó ń ṣòfò ní àìmọye ẹ̀bùn oríṣiríṣi tí èèyàn ní ó ní àbúrò mi ó ní onírúurú àwọn ẹ̀bùn kan àìmọye ẹ̀bùn àwa ìgan ńkọ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ńkọ́ oríṣiríṣi àwọn ẹ̀bùn ńlá dàgbà pẹ̀lú ṣùgbọ́n tó yẹ pé nígbà táwọn òbí wọn mọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn pa máa lára ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀bùn míì bẹ́ẹ̀ ọmọ àmà ṣe nǹkan míì ẹ̀ mọ̀ jágbe mọ́ látàrẹ wo ló lè jẹ́ positive side ẹ̀ báwo lẹ ṣe wá lè kọ́ tí ìbá aṣọ ọmọ tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ tó níbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run àti tí ẹ pé wọ́n ti fi ẹ̀kọ́ Ọlọ́run náà bọ̀ díẹ̀ lápá kan tó náà rẹ̀ fẹ́ gbà á mú ọ̀nà yẹn gba ọ̀nà negative way ó dẹ̀ máa lówó máa jẹ́ èèyàn tiẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ máa ṣe bó ṣe wù so gbogbo nǹkan yìí wà lára nǹkan tó yẹ kí á kán bójú wò bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ok gbogbo náà sọ yìí náà ó ń jọ máa kan gbogbo everybody ní nígbà tí èèyàn kan ṣiṣẹ́ iṣẹ́ àgún ojú ẹ̀ tó kówó jọ ẹlòmíì iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe láti àárọ̀ ọjọ́ ayé ẹ̀ òjijì kan ni wọ́n kàn fa kú hypertension ló pa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn míì amọ̀rú wọn dáadáa láwùjọ wa mo ti gbọ́ nípa àwọn kan dáadáa bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ti jéèyàn gbogbo ẹ̀ tán lọ́sàn kan òru kan báwo náà ṣe ẹ̀yìn náà wo ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọ̀gá àjọ EFCC yìí ó ní ordinary phone number òun ọmọ tó dẹ̀ ṣe kínní kọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀ ò tiẹ̀ bá nǹkan tó jẹ mọ́ kínní kọ̀ǹpútà kínní kò bá lọ́wọ́ wọ́n ṣe bí history àbí nǹkan dẹ̀ pàápàá sọ pé màá wọ́ 10 million naira nínú àkáǹtì yín sìn tó bá fẹ́ mèkì ẹ̀ sìn ẹ wá sọ fún mi ọmọ yahoo tó mèkì 10 million naira lónìí tó mèkì 20 million naira lọ́la tó mèkì 50 million naira lọ́túnla ọkọ̀ wo ló fẹ́ rà tí ò ní rà ìwà pálapàla wo ni ó fẹ́ wù ń gbòòrò fàájì wo ló fẹ́ ṣe tí ò ní ṣe àwọn ilẹ̀ máa rí tán lọ gba hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì olówó iyebíye àwọn ilẹ̀ rí tán ra mọ́tò lọ́sọ̀kan orúkọ tán kàn ń ṣe bó ṣe wù wọ́n yàlà yòlò ẹ sọ fún mi ó wà láwọn táwọn èèyàn ti ń sá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn fans wa nílùú òyìnbó wọ́n sọ láwọn ò fẹ́ wálé kí ṣẹ̀bi wọn nǹkan rí ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ kò ń fẹ́ disclose number ẹ̀ contact ẹ̀ fún number ẹ̀ pàápàá lè tẹ́lómi líǹkì mọ́ bank àmọ̀ràn nìyẹn ẹ má fi síta anybody ó kàn yẹ pé ilé ayé náà burú àwọn tó mọ ní náà ní túmọ̀ ń ṣe ni àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan tẹ́ ẹ bá tún sọ pé òkè o nọ́mbà ilé omi kì í fún yẹn o àwọn náà tó fún yàn kanjọ́ kan kó lọ́n ṣàánú wa kan ní téèyàn bá ń lò mọ́ báǹkì ẹ̀ nífà ó lágbára dẹ́n àwọn báńkàsì yẹn náà ń gbà bọ̀dẹ̀ lọ́pọ̀ wọn mọ àwọn nọ́mbà tẹ́ fi sọ́dọ̀ wọn àwọn náà ni ó mú tán fún àwọn ọmọ ará bí tán bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ lé lórí àìmọyemọye irú ẹ̀ àìmọyemọye onírúurú nǹkan tó súnmọ́ tá à ń gbọ́ lọ́tún lósì àtẹn tó jẹ́ tó torí ìdí èyí ọ̀nà ìdá tí ò ní mọ̀ sú ni túṣú tẹ́ ọ̀nà ìdá tí ò ní mọ̀ sú ni sú tẹ́ tẹ́rù ò ní mọ̀ bá ní wípé irú ayé wo gan rèé tọ́pọ̀ ní mọ̀ sá fúnlé tọ́pọ̀ ní mọ̀ sá fún Nàìjíríà àwáwí wọn ní ayé ń ṣerú ẹ̀ ayé ń ṣe kí ni tèmi tí ń tòótọ́ ọkọ̀ àpọ̀rọ̀ àkágbọ̀n o wọ́n ti ṣèkọ́lé yín bí ò bá ju méjì lọ bá ti lè bẹran jẹ mèbó tán ìgbésẹ̀ yìí náà ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti inú ilé kọ̀ọ̀kan ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ òbí náà mo ti ń gbọ́ pé àwọn ìyá kan wọ́n ń ṣe association ẹgbẹ́ àwọn ìyá àwọn ọmọ yahoo fún kínni ó ti mú wálé òkè ó ra mọ́tò sí yín dé Yorùbá ti parí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá ní ọmọ yín ò ṣàgbàfọ̀ ó ń káṣọ wálé ẹ rójú olè ẹ mú Yorùbá ló sọ wọ́n ní ọmọ yín ò ṣàgbàfọ̀ ó ń káṣọ wálé ẹ rójú olè ẹ mú ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti primary school nígbà ọmọ mi bá lọ ẹ fún ẹ ní pẹ́ńsù tiẹ̀ tẹ́ fún o ó ní pẹ́ńsù tiẹ̀ tó ń lò ó tẹ́ ẹ dàmọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ bá sàmì sí tẹ́ ẹ kókó ẹ̀ sí ó mú lọ ìgbà tó máa délé wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé àwọn ẹnìkan ti jí lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ léwe kò rí pẹ́ńsù wálé, ìgbájú ìgbámú ìgbárùn ànáfẹ́ kú dànù lẹ́ máa fi ṣe. Tó bá dijọ́ mi tó bá lọ náà wọn ní ẹ̀wò wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ mú pẹ́ńsù délé, wọ́n jí tòun náà gbọ́dọ̀ jí tẹlòmíì wálé. Orí mi tiẹ̀ wà, mo ti rú ẹ̀ rí, tọ́mọ kan bá dé tí kò mọ́mì wọ́n tún ti mú pẹ́ńsù òun, wọ́n ti jí pẹ́ńsù ẹ̀, ìwọ náà wà lè wá tẹlòmíì, kí náà ń kọ yẹn. So ilé lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan rú eléyìí tí ń wọ́ wá láti kékeré, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ tí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń wò yẹn ń sharp sí ó ń tèmi tí tòótọ́ àwọn tó ti ẹ̀ ń bí báyìí ó pọ̀ jù. Ó gba iṣẹ́ collective job ni, iṣẹ́ àjùmọ̀ṣe ni fún gbogbo wa. Iṣẹ́ àjùmọ̀ṣe ni kì í ṣe téèyàn kàn ń wò téèyàn máa wò sùn tí wọ́n rẹ ẹni tó bá wọ ọmọ Nàìjíríà ti bàjẹ́ àníkó náà sì yàwó kó sáà ti lówó. Ó ní bàbá kan náà kọrin kan jọ́ kan nice, ó ní olè ló bọ ọmọ jẹ́ kémi ṣáàtì lówó, wáyà kémi ṣáàtì lówó. Ẹ̀yin náà gbọ́ orin yẹn, that is wáyà that is kó máa ṣáṣẹ́ kó ń ṣáàtì lówó, that is to say ó kàn pé olè ló bọ ọmọ jẹ́ kàn fi yẹ yí ni, kí náà ló fi yàtọ̀ sí iṣẹ́ olè? Iṣẹ́ tó iṣẹ́ fún owó alákàntì ó jalè. So gbogbo orú nǹkan yẹn ó ṣe pàtàkì, ó ṣe kókó. Ìpayà yẹn ń bá yàn lọ́tọ̀. Don't lose guide ní báyìí o, bá lọ gbàgbé ara ẹ wọ́n á gbé ẹ. You see, ó ní agbára, ó lẹ́tìkẹ́, ó lè kú. Ọwọ́ òbí ó wà lọ́wọ́ wọn, ọwọ́ àwùjọ ó wà lọ́wọ́, ọwọ́ ìjọba fúnra wọn náà ó tún kù síbẹ̀. Torí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìbámọ̀ tó ń lọ ọbẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n mo yẹ pé ìrònú rẹ̀ náà ìrònú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ náà kéré, tó bá gbà náà ni ó fi fún un. So tèmi ti ń tòótọ́ kí n má sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ jù, ẹ jẹ́ á jọ pàdé comment section, kí lè ròyìn lórí eléyìí gangan. Ń tẹ́ wò nú àwọn fídíò yìí, kí ni nǹkan tó ó jẹ́ èrò tìyín lórí ẹ̀? Mọ̀ pé ọlọ́gbọ́n dorí ẹja múlẹ̀ yín olólùfẹ́ wa tẹ́ wò wá jákèjádò àgbáyé. Olúwatóbilọ́ba Fásùgbà ló kọ mi. Bẹ́mbẹ́yẹ́kẹ́ lẹ̀ ń pè mí lónìí, ẹ ti wò lónìí Bẹ́mbẹ́yẹ́kẹ́ tún máa bá wa share ẹ̀ fáwọn ẹlòmíì lónìí Bẹ́mbẹ́yẹ́kẹ́.